We are graphing absolute value functions, and here we have example 1, y equals negative times the absolute value of the quantity x plus 2, and then plus 3 at the end. So we have y equals the absolute value of x minus the absolute value, and we know that we have a plus k and an a value, and we know that we have an h value. So we have to figure out what h and k are, because that's going to be our vertex. Our vertex will be hk. And our a value is going to tell us our slope. So in this case, what's our a value? Our a value is -1. So our a value is equal to -1, so that's going to tell us what our slope is. And hk is going to tell us where to start. The one thing that we have to keep in mind is that the h is backwards. So whenever we're doing this, we want to remember that the h looks backwards. Because here we see a positive 2, so we would think that we should go to the right 2 because it's next to the x. But really the original transformation shows that it should be x minus h. So the only way to get the negative to become positive is to multiply by -1. So really it says this equation would be x minus a -2. Two negatives in a row makes it positive. So even though the h looks positive, it looks backwards. So our coordinates are, the h value is -2, and our k is straightforward. So that is just 3. Now we can plot our vertex, and then we can use our slope to graph the rest of the function. So -2, let's say that our graph, we're counting by 5s. So -5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And now our slope is -1. So down 1 over 1, 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 down 1 over 1. And then those are going to keep going, and we want to use a straight edge. Any straight edge will work. And we want to draw our line. So the key pieces of information, we have the vertex, which is at -2, 3. That's the vertex. And then we have our line of symmetry for this graph is going to be x equals -2.